and she is 54 years old. She is a housewife. My older sister name is Siti Kartika. She was born in Kota Waringin and is 29 years old. She currently works at a notary office. My older brother name is Gusti Samsul. He was born in Kota Waringin Lama and is 23 years old. He is currently serving the country as a member of the Indonesian National Armed Force. Myself, my name is Siti Fatimah. I was born in Kota Waringin on September 4, 2005, and I am 19 years old. I am a student in Office Application 7. That is my presentation about my family tree. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon.